Hey, this is Bell, Service Advisor over here at Neil Huffman Honda in Clarksville, Indiana with a brand new 2024 Honda CR-V. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple CarPlay. All you need for this is you're going to have your USB cord plugged into the USB port here on the left side. For me, I have an iPhone, so this is going to be a lightning connector that goes right into the phone. Sometimes it will ask you to unlock the phone to give you permission for the Apple CarPlay to enable. Give it just a few seconds here, and as you can see, Apple CarPlay comes up here on the screen. All you have to do for this screen to come up, if it's not already on there, you will click this Home Connect button, where your Apple CarPlay screen will show up, where you can access your maps, your Apple Music, or your phone feature. And that's how you use the Apple CarPlay feature on the brand new 2024 Honda CR-V. If you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call or stop on by and we'll be more than glad to help you out. Again, my name is Bell, Honda Service over here in Neil Huffman Honda. Huffman has it.